twice now I've tried to take a video of this rotor working with this coil and to show you guys my the iron infused PLA, how it came out. It came out nice. I've got only one coat of resin on here, but every time I try to record it, I think maybe I was getting this magnet too close to the camera because it was shutting it down. Anyway, let me pause this so I can set it back up because it seems to be working now. Or maybe I can just, here, hold on. Let me come over here and turn it on. So this is for the commenter, I forget his name, who said he never saw this one running. And it runs really well. I'm running it off the JL94 circuit. This is the laminations that I made. And what I wanted to show you was I can put this almost inside of it and it speeds up tremendously, but I got to be careful that it doesn't hit it. And it doesn't increase the amp draw. The amp draw stays at 0.24 amps. So I guess that would be 240 microamps or milliamps. Oops. Yeah, so that really speeds it up when I do it like that. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show. I took the day off from work today because I'm feeling a little under the weather. But I also wanted to show the lamination, how it came out and how it does fit inside there. But it really doesn't do much. It does increase the amp draw on this drive coil, but I didn't make that for a drive coil. Anyway, just a quickie, just to show you guys this particular rotor in action. And there's another one that I made that I don't think I did it justice. Let me turn this off. And that's this one over here. I don't think I showed this one with the horizontal magnets. I don't think I showed this one running very well, so I'll do that one next. Ciao.